At this time, we're going to hear from the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of the JAHJAH Foundation, Dr. Trevor Dixon.
LA's fine sunshine most of the time, and the feeling is laid back. Palm Street Road, rent so low, don't you know? I keep working my way back. But I'm a Jamaican boy who was born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York's home, but it ain't mine no more. I am myself. You know I'm there.
As they say in the dance hall, Harlem pull up the selector, but don't let it go, don't let it go. Anybody who knows me know that I am myself, right? But you know, I'm torn between two shores. United States of America and the shores of Jamrock, Jamaica, Jamaica. Okay. Consul General Alcyon Wilson, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I know there's a tendency when the alcohol starts to flow and the people on the coast, they tend to drift away from the presentation. But just remember, we're here for one purpose and one purpose only. What's that purpose? Mr. Orlando Dillon, please put up the money while we're here on the board so we can see how we're doing as a group tonight. Thank you, sir. And feel free as I speak, as it reaches your heart and soul, to please hit that donate button, because we made it very easy for you tonight. The cards are on your table. How is the food? How is the food? Well, what's in the business, but good. As much as I love the food and we love the ambiance here at the Royal Manor, let's give the Royal Manor and the waitress and waiters a round of applause. We know when there's a group of Jamaicans in the room, we can be a tough audience. Mr. Irwin Clear looked at me and said, Dr. Dixon, when is the food coming? And before you looked around, the food was here. Am I wrong, Mr. Clear? And the Royal Manor knows that their food is very good, and they know the ambiance is very, very nice. So as much as they love the JAHJAH Foundation, most of the proceeds from your ticket sales tonight, the 175 that you guys are crying about, remember that one? Is this place worth $175? Remember, we're talking post-COVID now, post-COVID price, okay? I didn't double it like everybody else. I couldn't, because I know you guys are JAHJAH supporters, and more importantly, I know that once you come and you see what we've done over the year, okay? The last time we came here, I promised you we'd have a what? I promised you we'd have an ambulance. And do we have an ambulance? Do we have an ambulance? Okay, so let's not forget why we're here. And that 175, as much as I love the Royal Manor, most of those proceed from the 175 goes to the Royal Manor. And the same reason why we don't have WVIP anymore and we have to borrow space is because we don't own our own. So we're trying to create a system of us helping ourselves, and we can start here tonight. Okay? The Council General, as I said, Alcyon Wilson, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good evening to you all. It is with great pleasure that I welcome everyone here tonight. I'm always humbled that each of you have chosen to support the JAHJAH Foundation. It's because of you who come back year after year, year after year after year, while we're able to purchase our first ambulance for the GEMS, Jamaican Emergency Medical Service, Negril, Westmoreland. This was made possible by you, our supporters, despite your own financial situations, your emotional situations, your physical situations, and financial constraints, especially post-COVID-19 pandemic. The JAHJAH Foundation has been lucky to bounce back with such a strong impact at a time when you may think we wouldn't be able to purchase an ambulance. We also constructed a dental clinic and Women's Health Center, thanks to Mr. Owen Hines. Give another round of applause, folks. He was just able to do it right before the COVID pandemic hit. We have been fortunate to receive donations which allows us to continue the work being done on the facility by adding necessary infrastructure to make it functional, the dental clinic, such as new flooring, running water, air conditioning, etc. There is still much more to be done on this unit to bring it to better standards. Why? We want to outfit it with equipment to be able to provide a wider range of dental care and women's health services. Despite this, we have been able to make a great difference in so many of the school-aged children's lives as we provide dental cleaning and general dental care and emergency dental services while we're on our mission trips. Another tremendous initiative that has been undertaken is the Jamaican Handheld Ultrasound Project, which Dr. Clooney is also a part of. Give a round of applause. Through your amazing partnership, and we have a great partner, Jacobi Medical Center there in the Bronx, New York. We collaboratively do a bi-weekly with physicians in Jamaica's public hospitals, sharing knowledge and providing expertise in diagnostic medical ultrasound and trying to save lives in Jamaica. The JAHJAH Foundation is a small but dynamic and outstanding organization. Over the last few months, I have been recognized by various organizations for impressive achievements in medical care, global health, and what is referred to as social justice, because of the work carried out by not only me, but many of our JAHJAH volunteers who are seated here tonight. I'm going to ask all the JAHJAH volunteers to please stand. If you volunteer with JAHJAH Foundation, please stand so we can give you a round of applause, please. All the JAHJAH volunteers, please stand. Michael and Michelle, you can stand from the podium. Those recognitions and accolades that I've received would not be possible without our sponsors. Give the sponsors who are here tonight a round of applause, please. Our donors, and you, our supporters. You allow the light to shine, and you allow the light that we shine for others to see. These awards are for you. please give each and every one of you who are here tonight a round of applause, because you could have went elsewhere, but you chose to celebrate and donate with the JAHJAH Foundation. We cannot and we will not stop here. Yes, we have done a lot, but we've only scratched the surface. As I proceed on this journey, I hope you will commit to continue this walk with me. I give all praises to the Almighty for using me through the JAHJAH Foundation as a vehicle for change in Jamaica. I believe you will walk with me, because as I look around this room tonight, I see that everyone here is either a friend or a friend of a friend, and this alone is what makes me remain humble, knowing that everyone believes in me, they believe in the JAHJAH Foundation, and believes in the vision we have for a better Jamaica. No one can do this alone. No one can do this alone. We need the help of each and every one.